Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to schedule the mail in Gmail. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so whenever you open the Gmail with your username and the password, so once you click on the compose here, you will type the mail email address like to whom you want to send the mail, and here you will type the subject of the mail, and here you will type the description of the email. Like for example, like hello, I am looking for the job or whatever it may be, like for the type, based on the type of the subject you will be sending the mail, and here you will write the content of the email. Okay, so once you are done with all these things, you will click on this send option. Like once you click on that particular send option, the email will be sent to that particular recipient instantaneously. That means immediately the mail will be sent. Okay, for example, if you want to schedule the mail, for example, you are typing all the content of the email and you want to send this particular email at some specific date or some specific time means. So for that, what you can do is like here you can see the send option. So next to that, here you can see more send option. That means like here you can see the below down arrow symbol. Just click on that. So here you can see schedule send. Okay, so click on that schedule send, and here you can see whether you want to send it tomorrow or of tomorrow morning or afternoon or Monday morning. Otherwise, you can pick the specific date and time from this particular calendar. Okay, suppose if I want to send that particular email on the 3rd of October at the evening 6:30 p.m. means here you can just select the date and time, and here you can select schedule send. Okay, so that means like now your email is scheduled to send on October 3rd, that is Thursday at evening 6:30 p.m. Okay, so this is how you can schedule the mail in Gmail. That means like you are done with everything, you will click on the compose option. There you will type the recipient email address. Then next to that, there you will type the subject of the email. After that, you will write the content of the email. That means all the description, whatever you want to send that mail. Then while sending, you can go to the schedule send option. Then you can schedule the particular date and time. Okay, so this is how you can schedule the mail in Gmail. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.